Good morning. Today it's a very nice morning. So I woke up a bit early today. I'm going to make a nice breakfast for this morning. I'm planning to make paratha today. I'm planning to make onion paratha. In fact, I'm making an onion paratha today. So just before cooking, I just wash my hands. So join me how I make this onion paratha. For today's onion paratha, my kitchen is ready. Rolling pin and board I have washed and kept earlier, so now it is dry. So rolling pin and board is also ready. Tawa is placed on the stove, so by now it is hot. And this is the filling what I'm going to use for onion paratha. So this filling is one medium size onion finely chopped and a green chilli. I have just taken one green chilli and about a inch of ginger that is grated and 3 garlic that is chopped garlic, and I've added little garam masala and salt as per your taste you can use. So these are the ingredients for filling for this onion paratha. So this is a very simple filling. Before this I have made soya paratha. Hope you have seen the video. If you haven't seen how I made soya paratha, that was also very simple recipe. You can check my description box. Link is posted in the description box. So today I'm making onion paratha. I'm just going to make 4 paratha. So I've taken one small ball of atta and I'm making small cup, and into the cup I am placing the filling. You can either make by making 2 roti and placing the filling in between 2 roti and sealing the side. So that is going to make my work little lengthier. So this is the shortest way to make paratha. So I'm making this way. So placing the filling into the cup. So I'm sealing it very carefully so that the filling doesn't come out. Whenever I have made any nice, interesting, simple recipe, I have tried sharing it with you. So before this I have made soya chunks cutlet also. You can check my video. So now I'm going to spread this paratha. So carefully roll it out. As I was rolling, the paratha was getting little soggy as the onion had a bit of moisture. As you add salt to the onion, it becomes moist. So the paratha was getting little soggy, so I had to sprinkle more atta while I was rolling it out. So I just could make a medium size paratha. So now the tawa is hot. I'm just spreading half teaspoon of oil. I consume very less oil, so for me for this paratha just half teaspoon of oil will do. So I'm spreading it very well over the tawa, and the paratha is placed onto the tawa. So meanwhile I'm trying to finish with the rest of the atta ball. So one side of the paratha is done. You can see. So now after waiting for a couple of seconds, I'll spread another half teaspoon of oil around the paratha. You can use ghee or butter also. So now both the sides are getting cooked very well. Now I'll remove it from the tawa. So this is my first onion paratha. Actually, this I'm making it for first time. I simply doesn't know how this is going to taste. So I'm simply excited to try this. So I'm quickly finishing with the rest of the atta balls. Well, whenever I have to make something tasty and something very easy to make, parathas are first thing that comes into my mind. Just to make some nice filling and your parathas are done. Well, I have memories with parathas also. I remember my school days when my mom used to make 2-layer paratha. That used to be my after school hour tiffin. So parathas hold a very special place in my heart. I love eating parathas. So right now my 4 parathas are done, and with this paratha I'm going to make onion chutney. So it's very simple. Onion chutney is very simple. Now I have taken a little oil in kadhai. So once they are hot, I'm going to put some onion. I have taken a medium size onion I have chopped. So I'll fry this onion for a couple of minutes. So when the color is changed, I'll add some red dry chilli. So this is going to be a very spicy hot chutney. So I've taken 3 dry red chilli I'm tearing. So sort everything well until the color is changed. Now I'm adding a very small ball of tamarind. So mix everything well. Once they have mixed well, adding little salt. Again mix. There is a nice aroma in the kitchen. Now I'll remove from the stove, and after it is cool, I'm going to grind this. And my chutney is ready. Now I'm going to enjoy with this onion paratha. Well, you can have it with sauce or pickle. And my breakfast is ready. For breakfast today I've made onion paratha. This is onion paratha which I made. This recipe I'm doing it for first time. This was given to me by one of my friends, so I'm doing it for first time. So along with this onion paratha, I've made onion chutney also. So let me eat and see how the taste is. It's nice. Chutney is giving a very nice chatpata taste, tamarind and spicy chili. And the paratha is also very nice. This has come out very well. Nice onion paratha which I made for breakfast today. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Hope this video was interesting for you. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to this channel. I hope you'll try making this onion paratha at home.